Colonel Gabriel is a retired Air Force band director, and he came to Bullis to look around, check out our music program, and guide the current band members and band program in order to help improve.
Colonel Gabriel is one of the most celebrated musicians and band directors of the 20th and 21st century.
A lot of diaphragmatic attack on each of those notes, even though the piano. D, D, da, D, D, da. Piano crescendo. And go.
They responded very well to his instructions, and he chose the piece that was the most difficult piece at the beginning of the rehearsal. He wanted to dig in.
The way he worked with us and sort of broke it down to our level made it feel not like this big event where Colonel Gabriel, one of the most famous band directors, is here to teach us. It's more just another director came in, gave us advice to build us as instrumentalists.
What do you do when you play in an ensemble? To play together. Very simple.
Listen.
Listen, that's one.
Watch.
Watch. Good. So balance is important, isn't it? And listening to your neighbor is important too, isn't it? These are the life lessons that you learn in music, okay?
Colonel Gabriel was drafted into the Army and was the only person to survive in his regiment at Omaha Beach. He came back. He was stacking boxes in a warehouse, and his band director said, "What are you doing?" and got him back on track and got him in a career in the Air Force Band, where he took over as conductor and was their leader for many, many years.
It was an honor to escort Colonel Gabriel around and to have him here and conduct the band and lead us through different pieces. Really built me as a musician.